I want to see how much stats he has. Like, how good he is. Oh, look at that lava. Look, Grandma.
Mm-hmm.
Smells like tape.
What's it supposed to smell like?
Lava. He smells like lava. This one is black, Grandma.
Yep.
Is it supposed to be black?
Yeah. One's red and one's black.
So is he part of the Dark Edition?
No, the Raptor doesn't come in the starter pack. He's just like a special one.
Oh.
His sticker. I can add that. Hey, I don't have that on my iPad. I don't have Volcano and Raptor on my iPad. Oh my goodness. Look at how much attack he has. He has 110. He's really strong. He has 95 strength,
Hey,
35
that guy was fine.
Look not. 70 luck. 70 luck.
Wow.
Not golden.
Diamond. He's harder than I thought he was. I'll need this.
Put it with your other stuff.
Okay, is there an order you're supposed to open them, Grandma?
Open the big one first.
Put them over here. Yeah, you can open them. Looks heavy. Looks like a book.
Open that one first.
Looks like a book.
Feels like a book.
It is a book. You gotta read it to me.
I can't read.
What?
And just ruin this. There, what's the tape? Don't tell me there's tape right here. There's so much paper! Huh? Document! Hey, now I know where to go.
What do you mean where you know where to go? You don't have the game.
This one is the starter pack.
What makes you think that?
Because it's big. That's how big the starter pack is.
Are you sure?
Oh, you scoped it out.
Mommy, that's the very first one you get. These are all the things how they see Chompy Mage. You can be the Chompy Mage.
I don't think Chompy Mage was bad.
No, you can trap him and then he becomes good. That one's new, that one's new. This one's new, we've never seen that one or that one. Never ever. Ow. My finger. It hurt my finger. The book is up there.
I think it's a shirt.
The empty box.
How many presents have tape? It's Jakun. I pushed the chair.
Oh, careful.
Told you. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it was. Mommy, it's heavier than I thought it was.
So which edition is it?
Dark edition.
Is that the one you wanted?
Yes.
I thought you wanted a standard edition.
Maybe.
No? That
What's
one's,
the difference?
that one's
The
okay?
difference? See? Snapshot is dark, Wildfire is dark, Food Fight is dark.
Oh. And you get an extra crystal on this one too, huh?
Yeah, it comes with the Chaos Trap.
Yeah, you don't get that in the standard, huh?
Yeah, regular one.
Cool. What do you say?
Ow. Thank you.
Oh, big hugs and kisses.
It still
Right.
has the bond.
Yeah, it still has the barcode on it.
I'm not sure your cameras can fit this in it.
Cool.